Let me tell you something most traders don't want to hear. Losing is not the problem in trading. The real problem is not learning from your losses. Every trader loses, even professionals. But if losses keep repeating, it's time to ask yourself some serious questions. Classic mistakes. Over 90% of traders don't survive their first few months. Not because the market is evil, but because they repeat classic mistakes. Overtrading, revenge trading, ignoring stop losses. Most traders think, that won't be me. Until it is. If you're losing consistently, don't blame the market. Analyze your behavior. Trading system. Next question, do you actually have a trading system? Or are you just jumping into random trades? The first pair you see. The most colorful indicator on the chart. Trading without a system is like driving without a vehicle. You're just pointing at the sky and hoping. A simple system with clear entry, exit, and rules beats random trades every time. Risk management. Now let's talk about what really kills accounts, risk management. How much do you risk per trade? How much can you lose in a day and still survive? Forex is a numbers game. Those who manage risk stay longer. Those who gamble disappear. Trading journal. Do you keep a trading journal? If you don't track your trades, you'll keep repeating the same mistakes without knowing why. A journal turns losses into lessons and confusion into clarity. Mindset shift. So the next time you're not making profit, don't ask, why is the market against me? Subscribe, follow, and links for more videos, please. Thanks.